gonna stay here kasi bilang kung ano baka mahulog. Ay, magpapaa ulit? Oo.
Papaa ulit?
There you go, Heidi.
Dodi mag-picture.
Kanina, untik na yan. At ikaw na bahay.
Ha? Kanyang babae ko. Ewan ko, hindi ko kilala. Punta ka na doon. Hindi ka kasi nakinig. Makinig ka kasi. Kapagod na makinig. Hindi ka nakikinig, makulit ka. Tapos tatanong ka. Bahay ni ano to, Adarna. Ayaw mo kasi makinig, layas ka ng layas. Ay, naka-on pa. Casa Lubao. Ah. Jesus, Ginoo, halika na. Ay, baka pala ako.
Have fun.
Okay.
You're filming.
Okay. This is the Casa Lubao. Lubao, Pampanga? Oy, Casa Lubao, ate. Lubao, Pampanga.
The reason is because we have the statue of Lola Bashang over there. She is
Lola
a
Bashang.
storyteller here in the Philippines. Okay? And did you know that Lola Bashang is not actually a
Lola
woman?
Bashang?
She's actually a man. Because Lola Bashang is just a pen name of a famous Filipino writer.
Lalaki pala
and
si
that's
Lola Bashang.
Severino Reyes. Okay? So the river naman po that you can see over there, that's a natural river here. So we call that Umagol River. So the water in that river comes from the big mountain that you can see behind the church. So that's the Mount Natit. That's a dormant volcano. And the water in that river is actually connected to the West Philippine Sea. That's why the water is a brackish water. It's a combination of salt water and fresh water. So here at Bataan, we call that Wawa or Sabang. But in other provinces in the Philippines, they call that Alabang. Why?
Alabang?
Because tubig alat and tubig tabang, salt water and fresh water.
Alabang.
Okay? So that's why they call that Alabang. Okay? And right now, I'm gonna show to you the interior design of this house, but reminders to everyone that we're not allowed to touch anything here, and we're not also allowed to sit on the chairs that you can see inside the house, because most of them are antique, so meaning it has a boundary. Okay? So, let's go.
Atin to, naka-on ba to? Hindi.
I don't know.
Hindi, wala na makita eh.
Wala nang battery.
Okay, so again po.
Hindi ka na, ay, hayaan mo yun siya. Wala.
Wala na eh. Tingnan mo, wala na makita.
Lobat na.
Lobat na?
Oo, nagpa-flash na rin. Kapula na siya. Wow.
Marmol. Ang ganda ng ano nila, chandelier oh.
This is the Casa Lubao.
Casa Lubao. Lobat na?
Ganda ng bed.
Ang laki mo, te.
Ito po kasi yung mga nasa room kayo nag-workers dito.
Layo mo ka. Parang ano. Luma na yun. Bawal daw umupo. Picture lang pwede. Picture lang kita dyan. Picture lang kita dyan. Saan? Ang ganda, no? Bawal ti.
The telephone. For you.
Hello? Everybody go.
Alright, ready?
Ang ganda dun, te, oh. Ate dun, oh.
Ready, one.
Hindi.
Ready, one, two, three. And one, two, three. Alright. I like the humidor. That is a shell.
Ako muna.
Ikaw muna.
Ako muna.
Some of the people,
Aray,
they
sorry.
call that lancena. Some of them, they call that platera.
Alotera.
Okay? Solo. Ready? And one, two, three. Drop. Ready? And one, two,
coffee.
Okay, you
Ganda
go
na.
now. You go.
Para kayong model. Alright, ready? And 1, 2, 3.
Bagay naman sa kanya.
And 1, 2, 3. Alright.
Ah.
Bagay siya
Okay.
Kami.
Go.
Uy, you join.
Apat tayo.
Ay, apat? Okay.
Halika na Mayla.
Kamayla.
Ka na Mayla, nahubo na yung pantalon.
girls.
Ang ganda ng ano.
Here.
Move daw. Move.
Ready? And 1, 2, 3. And 1, 2, 3.
Thank you.
Thank you po. Laki, ang dami nila.
Ang ganda ng background, ganda ng ceiling.
Ay, oo, ang ganda. Ate, ang ganda ng picture.
Oo, pasok ako lahat ngayon. Oo, di ba?
Oh, ang ganda. Ate, parang may ganito pa. Ay, bawal palang mawa. Ayan.
Meron na yung bago na.
Ate, may ganon ka, te, oh. Tingnan mo yung salamin niya. Ang salamin niya ang laki.
Wala no.
Meron pa naman dito sa atin na maliit lang.
Maliit.
Nandun sa bawang ng
Wala, tingnan mo yun, uy. Paksiwan, oh, paksiwan.
Anong paksi? Uy, ang
Gluto tayong paksiw dyan ba? Ito ba?
palayok.
Di ba?
Palayok man to.
Ang ganda na kusina.
Sinigang ka.
Ubasag ka dyan. Sinaunang
Ito na,
panahon
ano,
pa yan.
oh.
Ah, ulalala.
So the part of the house, we call that banggera or banggera.
Banggera,
That's how we
banggera.
sink
Spanish.
that we use.
Ah, the sink.
So we usually water this is after we get in that area.
I saw someone touching something, but I don't say who is it.
Don't worry. The most important thing is they didn't break anything. Okay.
That's right.
Aray ko.
ang laki naman. House na ito.
Tinan mo yung lagayan natin, oh. Ano?
Ito po part ng bahay or
Hindi na po. Mga antique collection na lang po. na
Antique
tulad.
collection.
Pero yung ceiling is
The fruits are still original. There are wood carvings, okay? The
Ah.
koi fish also is still original. By
Wow,
the way,
the koi fish.
you'll see fruits and koi fish here because the previous owners of this house believe in feng shui.
Feng
That's a
shui.
Chinese belief which means good luck and abundance. That's why there's a fruits and koi fish here.
Ah, abundance pala ang
Kaya pala
kanina.
ganyan door.
Dapat pala may koi fish tayo.
oh, alam mo na ate, pagawan na koi fish yung saka ng prutas.
Oh, yun oh, may prutas, oh. Ate, oh, may pinya. Ganyan pala.
Wala kasi may-ari nito ng
May prutas, no?
Kaya
Tsaka,
mayroon daw silang yan, carving ng fish. Boy,
no,
dyan.
koi, oh. Ang galing, no?
Mas napadang abundance.
Ang ganda, no?
Abundance.
Abundance.
Gusto ko yung fruits.
Oo, ako din. Ang cute. Oh,
Something different, di ba? Parang wala man tayo makita.
antik yan, ti. Pwede upuan to, sabi. Pwede upuan. Ay! Ate, ang ganda yun.
Dito, kabilang.
Sulit dito na kamo.
Ate, hawakan mo nga. Picturean ko tong isa.
Diba ako po?
Uy, nalaglag ka, bro.
Mahulog ka dahil, mahulog.
Ay, madilim. Parang silhouette. Pero maganda ang view. Yun lang to. Baka sa kabila.
Dito siguro.
Dyan.
Against the light.
Urong ka doon, madilim. Yan.
Pero nakuha ko yung view. Nakuha yung bruha.
Wala na itong battery.
Wala.
This is dead.
Ito view dito, tignan.
Uy, bababa na ako na rin ha.
Kayo dyan, dalawa kayo.
Talagang napakasulit no, Lai. Alam mo ba, Lai, dinala nila to lahat dito. Lahat ng bahay dito, dinala dito.
Parang kinabit-kabit na lang nila ito eh. Pinalag nila isang bahay, tapos kinabit na lang nila.
To Singapore. She says, no, we got
Here, there's no battery.
Huh? No, it's right. It's running.
Right, saving next to yours.
Oh yeah, I'm getting low on battery. Okay.